Hi folks, this is Jin and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will be assembling Ikea Bestå sideboard. Enjoy! As you see, I brought upstairs all the required modules and will now assemble them. They would take up this space, which is 3.10 m wide, and there will be two modules with 240 and one module with 60 width, so they will take up exactly 300 millimeters.
Later that night.
Now the assembly is complete. That's how it looks like two doors on the right side, two drawers in the middle, and two doors on the left side. On the top we have a milky glass, and I need to adjust those two doors. They seem to be a bit not on level, but yeah, that's it.